stock ticker symbol AMLH right now at 0053. Nice move here. You guys are up 60% today. Just a nice steady climb here. Look at this. Just a nice steady climb. 1, 2, 3, 6. Looks like 12 consecutive days of green. I would, take it for what it is. In my personal opinion, I think you're going to start seeing a little bit of a pullback now. The RSI is at 98. I mean, that thing is screaming up there. But now you guys have some gaps and completely outside of the upper Bollinger Band now. So in my opinion, I think it's going to start pulling back here.
Well, I'm just pulling it up. You said the wrong ticker, so I was pulling up. You said ALMH instead of AMLH, so I was trying to find it, and then I went to try to create the board scene. I didn't find it. You know how that goes.
AMLH, my bad.
Yeah. All right. So they had news on April 3rd. And so actually today. All right. So American Leisure Holdings Incorporated, GG Media Network, secures industry powerhouse for esports series development, software, and industry outreach. So American Leisure Holdings Incorporated and GG Media Network CEO Christian Bishop pleased to announce that the company will be working with the engine for upcoming series developments, including a winning lineup of esports content for sale and distribution to both traditional network television and digital platforms. It will also provide marketing and public relations services for GG Studios, including competitive analysis, launch strategies, and license acquisitions. The engine will also be spearheading video game industry outreach on behalf of GG Studios, cultivating relationships with decision makers in production and marketing at video game publishers worldwide. Past experience includes strong relations with Sony, Electronic Arts, Microsoft, Disney, Warner Brothers, Cartoon Network, Activision, Blizzard, G4 Television, Ubisoft, Atari, Konami, Sega, Capcom, Bandai Namco, Gameforge, and more. So the engine, powered by Travis Oates and Laddie Irvin, have extensive gaming experience, including creation and our development of series for G4, the groundbreaking gaming network that broadcasts to over 61 million homes as of 2013. G4 was a joint venture between the NBC Universal Cable Television of NBC and Dish Network. All right, so I don't want to keep reading the entire press release because it's kind of extensive. So I want to see more about this company, though. So let me see something. Did we ever go over this one? This is the first one?
Yeah, this is the first time.
All right, cool. All right, so they're Pink Current, and let's see. The latest quarter was on November 14th, 2016. So obviously, we have a new one coming up soon enough. I'm just going to read their profile real quick to see what they do. All right, so they basically says American Leisure Holdings is focused on investments in the energy market. But obviously, from that press release I read, obviously it changed a little bit. All right, so this is more or less something I'd probably want to spend a little more time on doing some due diligence, but it's definitely up there right now, huh? So as always, if you have an opinion on the company and you want to do more due diligence on it or continue reading that press release that I just stopped over, just go right over to the AMLH board, and from there you'll see the message board, the company profile, the time and sales, recent news, filings, financials, the buy rating, all right there at your fingertips. And if you have an opinion, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily.
All right. So AMLH. I messed up on that. I apologize. 0056, like I said, chart is getting overbought now. It might start to pull back. There is a gap at 0035. I'm just leaving it there for now. Wait for the pullback. It's outside that upper Bollinger Band as well. Just my opinion. Could it keep going? It's very possible. Very, very possible, but I'm just telling you what I see here in the chart. So, as always, if you follow this one, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And if you have a hot stock you'd like to share with us, head over to investorshangout.com/live.